Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers out of ground beef, only ways. Press a small dimple into each patty to keep it flat while cooking and avoid overworking the meat. Use medium-high heat in a hot skillet or grill and cook about 3 minutes per side for medium, flipping only once. Rest patties for a few minutes before assembling on toasted buns with your favorite toppings and sauces. For the only way burger, seasoning is simple and intentional to highlight the beef. Lightly salt and pepper, and add no more than one gentle mix-in like finely chopped onion or parsley. Skip binders like egg or breadcrumbs to keep the patty tender and beef forward. Let the meat chill briefly after forming so it holds shape on the grill and cooks evenly through the center without drying out. If this burger method is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more simple cooking tips. Quick recommendation: read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with frugal meal planning like homemade burgers. I like mentioning it because saving on takeout helps your bigger goals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat your skillet or grill until it is hot and shimmering to get a proper crust on the only way burger. Place patties down and avoid pressing them so juices stay inside, flipping only once to preserve moisture. If using cheese, add it in the final minute so it melts nicely while the burger rests. Resting for a few minutes helps redistribute juices, making each bite juicy and flavorful when you build the sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.